Here's a run through of the NowCerts momentum update items. So the first two we have are related to custom fields. If you go to agency customization, so miscellaneous agency customization, and then custom fields. So last week, the insured page was in momentum menus, and this page was in momentum menus. Now we've added even more. So now you can add new. You could also insert new items, making it a lot easier to edit any existing custom field panels or custom field categories. The next item we have is agent charges. If you go underneath an agent and you click on details, and then you go to statements, fees and charges. So this is in momentum menus, and you could set up any charge list for the agent. So if you needed to charge your agent or track it, you could enter them in right here. This is a pretty big one. We restructured the policy page. So if you go to a policy or quote, and we click on the policy or quote, the overview page now has the same information it did. We just collapsed it since it's all up here and you see it beforehand. And we put more of the coverage information along with the notes on this front page. This is more useful data right when you click into the policy. Right here, policy amounts, or policy details, amounts, receivables, and payables. So we entered these two items right here. And then the balance is in the brackets. The account current report, so if we go to interactive reports, and then all the way down to account current, there's a search filter for receivables now. So you can see the receivables paid right there. Underneath agents, there's a new batch action to add them to a work group. So work groups are a great way to search for agents. It will allow you to search for multiple agents at once. You could say this is my billing group, and you could just search for that work group. But now there's a batch action to add multiple agents to one work group. So you can come into here, select all the agents, actions, add to work group, and you could select any of your work group. And to set up those work groups, you want to go to your profile, and then it's right here under work groups. And you can create any work group you want. You could also assign agents right here, but if you need to mass assign new agents, you could use that new batch action. We added even more Google Maps previews pages. So wherever you see the address now, you'll usually see that ability to pull it up into Google Maps. When editing and creating tasks, you'll now see the task categories list out the tasks. So if I go to miscellaneous agency customization, tags, you'll notice we can now see the tags. And then if there's more than just the allotted amount, you can click on it and it will show you all of them in that category. And then under recent production, we added a new filter and column for create date. Enable it, and then come over here, enable it. Now we have create date and a create date search filter for recent production. Thank you.